So we said, please turn on your cameras and show me how do you set. يلا grade 2 كده. Show me how do you set, please, to complete our lesson, what is heat. Because tomorrow, inshallah, we will start with the sound. Today, inshallah, we have to finish what is heat. So, I want to ask Kareem. Kareem, when your mom cooks, which spoon should she use? Metal spoon or plastic spoon? Miss Kareem, what are huh?
Plastic.
Plastic, right. Plastic or wood spoon. Yes. Do you know why, Kareem? Do you know why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why should we use the plastic spoon?
Because if you use metal,
Yeah.
your hand will bend.
Yeah, your hand will be burnt. Yes, because heat can move easily through the metal spoons. Heat moves easily through metal spoons. Okay, because heat loves the metal spoons so much. But heat doesn't like to move through the plastic or wood spoons. So it will be very safe if you want to help your mom. You have to use the plastic or wood spoons for cooking, okay? And you must be away from metal spoons. Type, if we don't have plastic or wood spoons, what should we use? We can wear the oven mitts, okay, like these gloves. You can wear them. Yani, if you don't want yani, to burn your hands and you only have metal spoons, so you should wear the oven mitts to protect your hands from heat. Okay, to protect your hands from heat. But it's very safe and recommended for you or for your parents to use the plastic or wood spoon and to be away from the metal spoons, because heat loves the metal spoons so much, so your hands will be burned so fast. But if you will use the plastic or the wood spoon, you will feel that the temperature or the heat is normal and your hand will not be burned. The last thing that we will cover in what is heat, the meaning, the word temperature. We said it before. Temperature, how hot or cold something else is. Like if I'm asking you about the temperature today, what is the temperature today? For some of you, oh my God, Miss Angie, it's very hot. I feel that the temperature is 39 today or it's 40 today. It's very hot. So because we are in summer. But in winter, you can tell me that the temperature today is 20, it's 18, it's 17. Okay, so temperature, how hot or cold something is. Again, temperature, how hot or cold something is. How hot or cold something else. We said before that if you want to measure the temperature, we should use the thermometer. The thermometer, this is the thermometer. The thermometer, if the liquid in the thermometer goes up, so the temperature is hot or high. If the liquid in the thermometer goes down, so it means that the temperature is cold. Okay, temperature, hot or cold. Temperature, hot or cold. Again, temperature, how hot or cold something is. What we use to measure temperature? Thermometer. What we use to measure temperature? Thermometer. Grade 2, what do we use to measure temperature?
Thermometer.
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 Thermometer. Yeah, thermometer. Yes, يبقى today we have covered what is heat. What did we speak about? What is heat? We said heat is energy that make things warmer. Friction, if you remember, friction is a force, slow down, rub against each other. Force, slow down, rub against each other. Adam Islam, can you repeat for me the meaning of friction? Huh? يلا يا آدم. Friction. يلا يا آدم إسلام.
Yes, miss.
Friction. Huh?
Friction.
Is a force, slow down, rub against each other. Huh? For friction.
Is a force.
Huh?
Is a force. Slow down.
Hmm. Rub against each other. Again, يا آدم. Huh? What is the meaning of friction?
Against other.
Huh? Again, friction.
Is a force. Slow down. Is a force. Slow down. Slows down. Um.
Rub
Rub.
against.
Rub again. Rub again.
Rub against each other.
Rub against
Adam, why did you join
each
the
other.
first session late today? You are so late. You joined the first session very late. Don't be late again. Okay?
They could. Okay.
Okay. يلا يا آسر, can you tell me what is the meaning of friction?
Friction,
Huh?
a force that slows down, rub against each other.
Yeah, so friction is a force, slow down, rub against each other. And we said that friction produces or gives us heat. We said that we can have heat or produce heat by burning fuel. If you are burning oil or you are burning wood, we will have heat. We spoke before about the energy stations that produce electricity, and the electricity come to us by using the power lines. What we spoke about today is that if you put any food on the stove, the food is cool or it's cold, so it will move from the stove to the pot. It will make the pot hot, and after this, the pot will make the food inside the pot very hot, and it will be very, very hot, and it will be cooked by the end. So heat moves from warmer objects to cooler ones. Sometimes it comes in the exam in true and false question and ask you, heat moves from cooler objects to warmer ones. Of course, you have to write false because heat moves from warmer objects to cooler ones. The last thing that we spoke about, that if you are cooking, you should use the wood and the plastic spoon, and you should be away from the metal spoons because metal spoons love heat so much, but plastic and wood spoon, they hate heat. Temperature, how hot or cold something is. And if you want to know about the temperature, you have to use the thermometer. Temperature means how hot or cold. How hot or cold. Okay, طيب. Now you are asked to open uh, page 86. Page 86. Yeah, 86 in the science workbook, please. Page 86. يلا grade, يلا Mayan. Mayan and Lily. I want to see your science workbooks, please. And I told you, turn on your cameras. Your cameras should be on. Page 86. Page 86 in the science workbook. I will open it with you right now. please open page 86. Yalla, grade 2. Page 86 in the science workbook. Dalwin, where is your book? Kinda, your camera and your book. Thank you, Dalwin. Mayan, your book. Adam, Islam,
Here,
Lama, your book.
I,
Esther.
uh,
All
I
the
get it,
cameras
but
on.
open the camera.
Huh? And enjoy your science workbooks. Lily, Lana. Oh, okay. Medical Mus. Hala, what is your science workbook? Yes.
Angie, Angie, my book is on my home.
You didn't get it, Mr. Adam. We said that we have a session today, Adam, and I said that we will use the science workbook in the weekly plan. No, guys, it's not acceptable, really. It's not acceptable because I said, or I sent in the weekly plan that we will use the science workbook in the session. It should be with you. Type. Now you have to write the date. Please write the date at the top of page 86. Today is May 9. Today is May 9. May 9. Oh, please, yani, every session, the science workbook should be with you. Anas, where is your book? Anas, you are sitting in the balcony and you are not sitting with us. Where is the science workbook, ya Anas? What is the science workbook? Type, can you go in and sit on the table as you are sitting? Yalla, Anas. Go inside and sit on the desk. Yeah, it's better. طيب يلا يا مصري كده يلا يا مالك.
Yes.
Can you read the first question in page 86?
Observe carefully. Use your observations and
Yeah.
what you know to draw conclusions about how it is moving in this picture. Miss,
Observe carefully, use your observation and what you know to draw conclusion about how light is moving in this picture. Guys, if you can tell Jomana, where is Jomana? She is not here and she is not in the waiting room
can I go to the
because her mom is talking to me and I cannot answer her back. Please, if you can tell Jomana's moms that Jomana is not in the waiting room to accept her. Okay, thank you.
Miss, can I go to the toilet?
And who will answer the question? Okay, Malik, you can go.
Can I go to the answer and then go to the toilet?
Okay.
I'm
طيب,
urgent.
what do you observe about light here, يا مازن, يا مالك? What do you observe about this picture?
That light is moving through the window to make the shadow of the cat.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Here, thank you, Malik. You can go to the toilet right now. Here, what Malik said about this picture, I want to hear it from Lily again. Lily,
Yes.
can you tell me what do you observe in this picture?
Look, you see? Okay.
I see a cat in the window and its shadow.
Yeah, why do we have a shadow? Why do we have a shadow? Why?
Because the energy of sun, the solar energy of sun is coming from the light to it, so it makes shadow.
Yes, because we have a cat that stands in front of the light, and I said that we will not have a shadow unless something blocks the light. Shadow happens when something blocks the light. So because the
They
cat
have
here,
light.
yes, because the cat here stands in front of the sunlight, so we will have a shadow because it blocks the light, because the cat blocks the light from passing. You know that light goes in straight lines or direct lines. We will have a shadow if something blocks the light. So if something blocks the light, we will have a shadow. Okay, guys, so we will have a shadow because the cat stands in front of the light and it blocks the light from moving. It tells the light, I will stop you here. You will not move anymore. So we will have a shadow. Okay, if you can write here. Yalla, guys, write after me, please. Faster. The light is moving in a straight line, faster through the window. Some of the light is stopped by the cat, and that's why we have a shadow of the cat. The light is moving in a straight line through the window. Some of the light is stopped by the cat, and that's why we have a shadow of the cat. Faster. If you will not be able to copy so fast, you can take a photo of it to copy it after the session, or you can listen to this session once it's uploaded on YouTube channel. So we have light is moving, but because the cat stopped in front of the light, we have a shadow of the cat on the floor because we have light here is blocked by something, which is the cat, and that's why we have a shadow. Faster, please, because we still have another page to answer. Faster. Grade 2, have you finished? Have you finished?
No, no,
Yes.
no, no,
Yes. Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
No.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no.
Faster because the time is running and I need to answer it. Please, if you have any mobile phone, you can take a photo of it or you can listen to the session again once because I will upload its video on YouTube channel. طيب, now I want مازن عمرو. يلا يا مازن.
Yes.
مازن. Okay, question number 2 يا مازن. Which one is reflect? Which one is reflect?
Which one is reflect?
Yeah, which picture should I write under it reflect?
Number 1.
Excellent, excellent. Reflect, bounce off. Reflect,
Bounce up.
thank you. So
Bounce
this
up.
is reflect. Okay. Now let's open page 87. 87. I will open the page with you right now.
87. نفتح ال 87. مفتوح. كنت حتى طعم جنبها. يتي ستي. تبسطها أي واحدة يعني. حتى صورتك عليها.
87. يلا grade 2, page 87. We should write the date at the top of page 87 today, at the top of it. Okay, today is May 9. Okay, guys. Type. We will complete each word. It's about light. يعني all the words that A, B, C, D, E, they are all about light. ماشي؟ طيب. Now let me ask Yasin. Yasin? Yasin, are you there? طيب, Sandra?
Yes, Miss Angie.
يلا حبيبتي. Here is telling you that light is a form of energy. Okay, light is a form of energy. Number 1, light lets people
See.
see. Excellent, bravo. So A, we should write see. Light lets people see. Beside A, write C, please. Okay, Yasin. يلا Yasin. B. Sunlight is made up of many colors. Bravo. Colors. تمام. Okay. يلا يا لما.
Okay, light travels in what lines? Street.
Straight. Excellent. Light
Street.
travels in straight lines. Bravo. Light travels in straight lines. Guys, because I cannot, I'm trying to write inside the box, but because I'm writing on the photo itself, I cannot write exactly like what you are writing in the book. So I'm trying to make it closer to it. So A, we should write beside A, C, beside B, colors, beside C, straight. Okay? طيب يلا يا ديجا.
Yes.
Most objects space light.
Look.
No, we should write most objects reflect. Reflect. Most objects reflect light. Okay, Dida? يبقى most objects what light? Huh? Reflect.
Object reflect light.
Reflect light. So we should write most objects reflect light. Thank you. Beside D, we should write reflect. Beside D, please write reflect. طيب. Sanaberi?
Yes, miss.
The last one. When object block the light, it makes what?
Shadow.
Shadow. Shadow. Thank you so
Yes
much.
or no?
Yes, excellent. It makes a shadow. Thank you so much. Type. Okay. Now who يبقى beside A write C, beside B write colors, beside C write straight, beside D write reflect, beside E we should write a shadow. Okay, grade 2, we will have question number 4 and page 88 homework. Question number 4 and page 88 homework. Please write them homework. And I write in the weekly plan that page 88 is a homework. Okay, grade 2?
What? I wrote
Page 88.
Question.
عامل له